even my first experience in a drum circle had such an impact on me to say, what was I thinking that I didn't know how to play the drums? Drums is such a large word, and what we use primarily in our application in clinical work is not a snare or a cymbal or a counting. There's no subdivisions. We're using intuitive improvisational drumming. Just today I was reminding someone of the research of Charles Limb, and if you haven't seen it, go to TED Talks and look at the jazz brain. So Charles Limb studied people improvising and looked at MRIs while they improvised versus while they played music they had to learn, like me, in the text. Completely different brain picture. When we improvise, there is an activation-deactivation pattern in the brain. When you activate improvisation, you deactivate self-judgment and monitoring. Mm-hmm. So it really literally is a very powerful way to access the, maybe you'd call it a freer state of mind, creative state of mind. And that really applied to the people I worked with at the time with drug and alcohol addiction. This is before the day of now internet addiction, sex addiction. I've been speaking at some conferences about all those things. And also working with major mood disorders is that I could really see how much the drums, I would just say drew people in. It's like this magnetic power, like me walking down a hall, and I just went in. And so I could see people that were in a lot of shame from psychological issues. They couldn't resist the drums. The people that were labeled resistant, they couldn't wait to play. Even the people that were resistant that would look like this, they'd be tapping their feet to the beat. So it's this engagement that pulls us in.